Everybody loves the idea of a fresh start, but starting over in Jamaica, that takes a whole different type of courage. Today we're talking about whether it's really possible and why Jamaicans will hustle, grind, and flip anything to survive. Hey there everybody, my name is Claudette and I am your Jamaican Gypsy Granny. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome back. In this space, we talk about all things Jamaican. We talk about the culture, the resilience, the everyday struggle, our history, and the stories that shaped who we are as a people. So if you enjoy stories like these, please go ahead and subscribe. That would certainly help the channel to grow, and I sure would appreciate it. Now let's talk about what starting over in Jamaica really looks like. Starting over in Jamaica is absolutely possible, of course, but it isn't the picture-perfect dream some people imagine from abroad. Jamaica is beautiful, vibrant, and full of life, but it is also a place that demands strength and resilience. The cost of living is high. Opportunities aren't always laid out and available to everybody. And if you want to rebuild your life here, you truly need to have a hustler's heart, because this country, although it will embrace you, it will also push you to dig very deep. So one thing you learn about Jamaican people is that we are born in survival mode. We are born with it stitched into our bones and our DNA. We can turn one broom into a business. We can flip one bag of bag juice into something that pays lunch money every day. And we sell soup, we sell clothes, we sell herb, we sell peanut, we sell phone case, we sell mango, we sell anything we can get our hands on, we will sell it. We will sell it. That kind of determination, it's not taught, it's inherited. To really rebuild your life here, you have to adopt a mindset that Jamaicans live by every day. You need to have creativity. You need to have determination. You need to have a thick skin. And you need to be willing to try everything even when you're not sure where it's going to lead you. You need a no-shame spirit, because when food have to buy, nobody is too proud to do what must be done. Pride doesn't pay bills, effort does. You know, the real Jamaica runs on an informal economy that keeps thousands of families alive. People build entire livelihoods outside the traditional system. You'll see street vendors setting up early in the morning. If you go downtown, you'll see hair braiders on the street. You will see nail techs on the street. You'll see barbers working on that tree. Mechanics who fix your car right in the yard. Soup man selling on the corner. Taxi operators hustling every hour of the day. Many people work 3, 4, even 5 small jobs just to make one steady income. And they do it with pride. When life knocks us down, and trust me, it knocks us hard sometimes. Oh, ball, yes, but by tomorrow morning, we are up again trying something new. Jamaicans don't stay down long. We are too creative. We are too resourceful. We are too determined to let hardship finish us. If one door lock, we build a window. If the window lock, we go through the roof. We always find a way. People overseas often picture Jamaica as a place to relax, to drink coconut water and live by the beach. Meanwhile, Jamaicans know that starting over here is real work. It takes sweat, sacrifice, and hustle. But the reward is different too. When something finally starts to move, when your idea takes flight, when your little business begins to grow, the pride you feel cannot be compared. Even with all the challenges, Jamaica still offers something special. There's a freedom here, a sense of sunlight and openness that feeds your spirit. There's community, creativity, room to build something small and make it grow, and people who understand struggle without judgment. And there are opportunities. Not always packaged neatly, but real opportunities opportunities you won't find in rigid systems abroad. Jamaica will test you, but it will also bless you. If you come honest, hardworking, and ready to grind, this country will meet you halfway. You can't arrive with entitlement or fantasy in your luggage. Come with purpose, come with ideas, come with the confidence that you can create something of your own. Because in Jamaica, your success isn't handed to you. It's built by your own hands. Again, my name is Claudette and I am your Jamaican Gypsy Granny. If this video inspired you or reminded you of the strength and resilience that live inside our people, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video, share, and please leave a comment below. Tell me what new business you're going to start, or if you're at the point and ready to start over. If you'd like to support my work further, my PayPal link is in the description. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified each time I post a video. Thanks for being here. And remember, every story shared is a seed of healing.